Awesome, 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 awesome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the Ethtrade platform. You guys are in perfect position to find out what's going on with this new financial industry and how you guys can take advantage of what's going on and start to profit from everything that's happening in the digital currency world. All right. So just give me a second. We are waiting for everybody to come into the room. Great. Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. If you guys can hear me okay, make sure you put a 1 in the chat box real quick. I'm just gonna start to get a little bit of engagement in the room so that I can make sure that everybody hears me. What's up, everybody? We have a lot of people in the room today. Definitely. Okay. Great, I'm pumped up today. How's everybody doing this morning? Well, I know it's morning over here. I don't really know what time it is right there. But anyway, yes, let's go ahead and kick it off. Welcome everybody and congratulations. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Ethtrade webinar. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and how it's booming in China. All right, we're also going to talk about the Z crash and how it's let a lot of people down. And we're just going to run through some of the things that's happening this week, some of the things that's new in this week. All right, but you're definitely in perfect position so that you can find out more about what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on about blockchain technology, Ethereum, and how you can capitalize in this financial game right now. Okay, so you're in the right place at the right time. Okay, so presently China is the largest market and a top digital and in perfect position for the top digital currency. Okay, first of all, let's give a congratulations, a big congratulations to our international Ethtrade team. They had an awesome live event over in China, and it was all due to the Ethtrade family. All right. So, like I said, presently China is presumably the largest market for the top digital currency. And in coincidence with the findings of the report, Bitcoin could be aiming for a more significant ground to expand into. Okay, according to this person, Louise Keeley, the president of the Demand Institute and executive vice president of the global retail vertical at Nielsen, cashless payments can help fill in critical missing knowledge and enable businesses and policymakers to create forward-looking strategies and policies. Okay, the population needs more cashless payment solutions to enable online spending and investment products to enable wealth creation. Okay, so let's just take a look at that for a minute. All right, China is in perfect position not only to take advantage of the technology and everything else they're dominating on, right? But they're in perfect position to take advantage of the largest market dealing with Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, blockchain technology. This is the only thing that we're talking about over here because this is definitely this is the time and the place that you want to be right now, okay? We already know that we have our information is not safe, or with the credit card, cash is not safe because hey, nobody wants to deal with cash, all right? And you know, the only way we can look is for digital currency, okay? But wow, this is awesome, huge news, okay? So with the yuan weakening in China, there are clear clues on why Bitcoin is in constant upward swing, okay? People all over the world are starting to see the value and starting to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the cryptocurrency technologies, okay? So if you guys haven't already, you definitely want to go ahead and get your team on the call because we're gonna be giving away a lot of information, and we also gonna be getting in position so that we can have this lab raffle that we have each and every week. Okay, we're gonna be giving away $20. So if you guys haven't already, you definitely want to get your team on the call. We're gonna be showing you guys how you can start to build your future with Ethereum, how you can start to build your future with Bitcoin, how you can start to trade these cryptocurrencies on the cryptocurrency exchanges, and how you can become profitable doing this. All right. So if you guys haven't already, you definitely want to get your team on the call so that we can make sure that they get all of the information, get all of the questions that they have answered, and so that they can get started today. All right. So This week, Bitcoin, let me get my slides going on. I haven't even showed you guys a slide yet, okay? So if you guys don't know about the past and the direction that the cryptocurrency markets are going, take a look at the world's first decentralized digital currency, okay? And that is Bitcoin. If you're not already familiar with Bitcoin, then maybe you want to take out your notebook, one of your pens or something like that, and you want to mark this down, Bitcoin, okay? Because you probably want to go and do some research on that when you get out of here, okay? But over the past 7 years, it's increased more than 1,000 times, okay? The market cap over here is about 10.5 billion, and the average daily trading volume is about 50 to 150 billion dollars. All right, so any piece of $1 billion, I don't know about you, I don't know what position you're in, I don't know what industry you're in right now, but any piece of $1 billion is enough money for me. All right, but definitely. So next we got another cryptocurrency, and this goes by the name of Ethereum. Okay, and Ethereum is a is an application for creating smart contracts. Okay, applications that are built on the basis of a smart contract. But anyway, I hear something ringing. 1 second. Okay, never mind that. So great. Oh, for the past year, Ethereum has grown more than 30 times. The market cap over here is about $1 billion, and the average daily trading turnover is about 30 to 60 billion dollars. Okay. Great. Statement is the world's first decentralized application for building social media platforms. Okay, so this Statement actually pays its users to post quality content and to upvote quality content. Right? Yes, definitely. Get your team on the call right now. If you guys haven't got your team on the call right now, this is definitely the place that they need to be. We are dealing with the world's fastest growing digital currency, and how you can start to capitalize on trading these cryptocurrencies, buying, selling, and trading them on the cryptocurrency exchanges, right? So if you guys haven't already got your team on the call, you definitely want to get your team on the call, because we're gonna be giving you guys some information that you can take advantage of today and start to generate a life-changing income with this thing. All right. So like I said, in the news over the past week, the yuan has been weakening. Not just the past week, over the past year, the Chinese yuan has been weakening. And like I said, this is a clear clue on why Bitcoin is in a constant upward swing. Okay, people all over China are starting to see the value and starting to invest into Bitcoin. They're starting to invest in Ethereum, and they're starting to invest into other cryptocurrencies. All right, now, this week, the Bitcoin price saw highs of 743. Now, give me a second, because I got some slides I just want to show you guys real quick, just to kind of help you visualize this thing. And while I'm pulling this up, if you haven't already got your team on a call, then you definitely want to. This is the perfect time right now while I'm doing this. She's knocked out, right? Mm-hmm. I'm sorry about that, guys, but this is the boss, okay? So if you guys cannot mind me while I try to take care of this real quick, then you guys do not know who's in control, okay? Oh. Well, anyway, like I said, I'm sorry for the interruptions, but this is a perfect time for you to get your team on the call and show them how you can start to capitalize on this cryptocurrency market and how you can probably supplement your income, right? I don't know how many people right now are struggling, trying to figure out where their next money is going to come from, where their next dollar is going to come from, while the dollar, or I don't know what your local fiat currency is, but the US dollar is constantly losing value. The Chinese yuan is constantly losing value. The euro is constantly losing value. Okay, so where else do we have to look in order, to stick our assets? Where are we going to start to save? If the dollar is not safe, if the dollar is not stable, if the yuan is not stable, if the euro is not stable, where else can we stick our investments so that we can feel like our investments are secure? Okay, digital currency is definitely the place to look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Steemit, Zcash, Monero, all of these cryptocurrencies, you can be finding out more information about them. But check this out. Ethtrade gives us the perfect platform, the perfect opportunity to learn as much as we can about cryptocurrencies, and also start to generate a passive income based on whatever it is that you want to invest. All right. So if you want to invest anything, you want to be definitely investing into the cryptocurrency space, into the blockchain technologies, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, and like I said, any other cryptocurrencies. All right. Sometimes you can take advantage of these cryptocurrencies. I mean, something as little as 10 cents, 10 cents, maybe sometimes even lower. If you had actually took advantage of Bitcoin early on, you'd have been able to get Bitcoin for less than $1. Right now, you can't purchase one Bitcoin for less than $700. All right. So, like I said, it has increased more than 1,000 times over the past 7 years, and the market cap is about $10.5 billion. Okay, this is not something to be overlooked. This is something that you definitely want to pay attention to. All right. So, moving right along, let me put up these slides real quick. Give me 1 second. Pull up. Share my screen. So give me 1 second. All right. It's the life of a stay-at-home dad, right? So basically, let me get on. I forget where I was at. Yesterday, right? So anyway, take a look at some of these guys that's probably popular in the news. You probably heard a little bit about them already up to this point. But Cameron and Tyler Winklevis, okay, these are Olympic rowers. These guys actually boast that they were the original creators of Facebook. But anyway, they positioned themselves in the right place at the right time, and these guys are now worth over $400 million just by taking advantage of Bitcoin. Okay, Tony Gillespie, Roger Ver, Charlie Schramm, all of these guys were in the right place at the right time. They figured out that Bitcoin was something that could definitely make them a lot of money, and they just went all in with it. And look at them now; these guys are in the books, right? So well, what does Ethtrade offer? Okay, Ethtrade is an asset management company. Okay, focused on trading on the cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, so through the trust of our traders, you are able to make an investment to our professional traders, and these guys will trade on your behalf and pay you a passive return on your investment for up to 25%. Okay, so even if you don't know anything about trading on the cryptocurrency exchanges, even if you're a newbie to this thing, Ethtrade will take you, grab you by the hand, not only teach you everything there is to know about trading on the cryptocurrency exchanges, everything there is to know about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything that's going on in this new financial sector, but they will also trade on your behalf and pay you a positive ROI. Okay, they're gonna give you a return on your investment for up to 25%. Okay, definitely. Thanks for you guys for showing up. If you guys haven't already, you definitely want to get your team on the call so that we can answer any questions that they may have. All right. But anyway, so back to what I was telling you about the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin prices saw highs of 743 this week, but there were also a pullback to around 690. Okay, so the price shot up. It shot up all the way to 743, but this thing actually pulled back. I wish I could show you my slide. But yeah, but it actually pulled back to 690, and this is because allegedly, according to a Bloomberg report, the Chinese authorities are studying measures to limit transactions on China-based exchanges, and this is in an effort to stop the money flowing out of the country. Okay, Chinese authorities believe that some of these Chinese investors are using Bitcoin as a vehicle to illegally move money out of the country. All right. Now, while others might be using it as simply a hedge against the softening Chinese yuan, but like I said, Chinese officials are considering introducing policies and restricting domestic Bitcoin exchanges from moving cryptocurrency to platforms outside the nation. Okay, and they're also trying to impose quotas on the amount of Bitcoins that can be sent abroad. All right, now this is largely been done in order to counter the rampant of the Chinese yuan devaluations that have played in 2016. Okay, so I'm gonna just dumb it down a little bit because I like to make sure that everybody can understand what's going on in this space. All right, this is not something that any and everybody can get involved in, and they can actually start to get in profit. Okay, so I'm gonna try to break everything down as simple as I can without tainting the meaning of everything. Okay. So anyway, basically, you guys know that the Bitcoin price was at a resistance level of around $700. Okay, and it's been at this point for the past couple of weeks. Okay, just this week, it actually broke through that resistance mark, and I'm gonna actually have a slide that can show you. I couldn't pull it up right now, but anyway, it broke that resistance mark. And it reached heights all the way up to like 760, 743 or 760, right? Bitcoin actually dropped in price. And why did it drop in price? Because the Chinese authorities are starting to put regulations, laws, and policies around Bitcoin, how much money can be moved abroad, how much money they can deal with. They're just trying to put all type of laws and policies around this Bitcoin. Okay. Anyway, that in turn made the prices drop back down to the lows. But you know, no need to fear. It has already bounced back up. That was just actually the news, the media, and these are the effects that they actually had on the markets, right? But anyway, moving right along, I want to talk about the Zcash real quick. The Zcash, you don't know what the Zcash is. The Zcash is a cryptocurrency that's very similar to a Bitcoin, except for it offers a little bit more of the anonymity. It's more of a an anonymous coin, okay? But anyway, Zcash came out. It came out with the initial, coin offering on the Poloniex exchange, on some of the Kraken exchange, on some of the popular cryptocurrency exchanges. And just to touch on the Zcash for a minute, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but at the peak of trading on Poloniex, the cost of one Zcash coin had reached the price of almost $3,300. Okay, I mean 3,300 BTC. So 3,300 BTC is way more than $3,300. Okay, One BTC right now on an average is about $700. Okay, and again, the price reached about 743 just this week. Okay, so if you got in on Bitcoin and you got in at the $700 mark, okay, just by sitting and holding Bitcoin, when the price went up to 743, you'd have been up. If you only had one Bitcoin, you'd have been up $43. Okay, so imagine if you would have had 100 Bitcoin. Okay, it would be 43 times 100. All right, but anyway, just to touch on the Zcash for a second, it reached up to 3,300. Thereafter, it dropped for more than 100 times in just a few hours. All right, it was a huge speculative demand, and the decreased level of mining speed allowed the experienced traders to make good money, and experienced traders to lose money forever. Okay, we over here at the Ethtrade, we did not expect such a powerful pump, but the good traders still made a good profit on the Zcash scalping. Okay, the launch of the Zcash have left the crowd high and dry. Okay, the prices right now are under one Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, last time I checked, the price of one Zcash was about 1.5 Bitcoin. So that's a half of a Bitcoin. All right. Now, I say that to say that this is a perfect reason why you would want to invest with a company that will handle all of the technical details for you. Okay. You can not only watch and study all of our trading strategies and become one of the best traders on the market, but like I said, Ethtrade will also put your investment into the trust of our professional traders, and will pay you a passive return on your investment for up to $25. 25%. Okay. Now this brings me to the trading contest. The trading contest that we are going to have on Ethtrade. Ethtrade is having a wow. Woo! This is rough, right? Yeah, I didn't know Daddy Duty was so rough, but I'm sorry. I'm moving right along. Okay, I know this was kind of unexpected, but anyway, which brings me to the trading contest that we're gonna have on the Ethtrade platform. This is a promotion. This is bigger than anything that anybody is offering around this space. Okay, and I don't know if you're already familiar with this promotion, but any person that's on the Ethtrade team, okay, and it's easy to get started. It's free for you to actually get registered with the Ethtrade platform, and you guys are gonna get all of the information, all of the education that you need to figure out what's going on in this new financial sector, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with cryptocurrencies, with digital money all together. Okay, but the objective for this promotion is to get the most in revenue. You want to generate the most revenue for 1 month in percentages on a Poloniex. Okay, that is a Poloniex is a cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, where you can go and buy, sell, and trade all of the popular cryptocurrencies. Okay, there are over 100 cryptocurrencies that's traded on this exchange. All right. Now, anyway, the only thing you need to do is you need to register an account on a Poloniex exchange. Okay. You want to have your own deposit of 0.2 BTC in that account. All right. You want to at least make at least 4 transactions a day, and you're allowed to have 2 days off per week. Okay. You want to export the statistics once a week on Sunday. You want to give a CS I think I was doing a lot of talking and nobody actually heard me. But anyway, I just want to anyway, I just want to touch on the promotion that we're having on the Polonian X trading exchange. But anyway, as long as you register an account over there, you have your own deposit of 0.2 BTC in account. You're making at least 4 transactions per day, and remember, you're allowed to have 2 days off per week. But at the end of all of this, you want to export the statistics once a week on Sunday, okay? And you want to make sure you have that CSV file, and you also want to have some screenshots, okay? Now, the organizers of the promotions can be reached on the Telegram platform at Top Trades, okay? So telegram.me/@Top-Trades, okay? And you can request any additional information as a confirmation of the trader's activity. But these are the dates, okay? We will consider the first 30 applications from the participants, okay? The first day of trading is going to be November 2nd, 2016, and the last day of trading is going to be December 12th, 2016, all right? Now, we're going to wrap up the competition on December 5th, okay? Now, the only thing you need to do to apply is send in your name, your Ethtrade login, your email, your phone number, a screenshot of your balances on the Polonian X exchange, and export those CSV files from the section Trade History, okay? Now, once you do that, once you start trading, this is the prizes that you guys are going to be able to win, okay? First place is going to get you $1,000 plus an Ethtrade account with a balance of 3 BTC and a t-shirt. That is huge, okay? You're going to get $1,000 plus 3 Bitcoin to trade with on an Ethtrade on a Polonian X trading account, all right? Second place is going to be $750 plus you're going to get a trading account with 1.5 BTC plus a t-shirt, okay? So you can represent, all right? Third place is going to be $500 and also an Ethtrade account with a balance of 1 BTC, all right? Plus a t-shirt, okay? Fourth place, you're going to get $200 to your Ethtrade balance, and you're going to get a t-shirt so you can represent. We need you guys representing, all right? Fifth place is also $100 to your Ethtrade balance and plus a t-shirt. If you have any other questions regarding this promotion, then the only thing you need to do is just send in an email to support@ethtrade.org or telegram us again at Ethtrade. Telegram us at telegram.me/@Top-Trades, okay? Now, I'm gonna wrap this thing up real quick, guys. If you guys got any information, if you guys got any questions about what's going on the Ethtrade platform, how you can take advantage of this promotion, or any other questions that you may have, okay, you can contact our customer support, and this is available daily, okay, in 7 languages. I'm talking about Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can get answers to any one of your questions through our online chat, okay, or through a phone call, okay? You can catch us on any one of these social media platforms. Talking about Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube. Don't forget to go and check out all of the training, all the tutorials on YouTube, on our Ethtrade platform, on our Ethtrade page there, okay? So what you need to do is definitely want to be free. Start to be free, okay? Take back control of your assets, take back control of your time, take back control of your money, all right? Be a part of a powerful idea. This is not something that's going to be here today and gone tomorrow. This is a very, very powerful, and profitable industry that you want to be in, okay? And you can be a part of that industry today. This is the future that is happening today, okay? Bitcoin, the big boys haven't even figured out what's going on. Wall Street haven't even figured out what's going on. The banks have not even nailed down what's going on in this cryptocurrency space, in this digital currency space, all right? Right now, it's a chance for you to take advantage and secure your future today, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to wrap this thing up, and I'm going to jump over to our weekly raffle, okay? Weekly raffle, we're going to be giving away $20. I'm going to share my screen real quick and show you guys how you can do that. Oh, a couple of other things I want to touch on. We are having another huge expo in Russia this is something that you want to keep your eyes open to. All right. Also, we're having another huge one in Vietnam. I don't know if that one's happened today or if it's already happened. In addition to that, again, I want to say congratulations to our international E-Trade team from China. Those guys had an awesome, huge live event over the past weekend, and I just wanted to shout out that congratulations to you guys. All right, so we're gonna do this raffle real quick. In order to actually take advantage of the raffle, once you win, in order to secure your $20, you definitely want to go back to the E-Trade platform. You want to get signed up, and then you want to make a review video. You want to make a review video on the E-Trade. You know, just pretty much saying that you won $20 over here, and that's pretty much it. All right, make sure you make that review video. Go and log into the E-Trade platform, and you will be all set. All right, so I'm gonna just run over here real quick. All right, cool. So after the live drawn, as a result, we have drawn the number 21. 10D21. Just 1 second. Let me grab this up real quick. Ron looks like the winner. Okay, Ron at siteron@yahoo.com from the Philippines. Ron, you definitely want to make sure that you are signed up on the Ethtrade platform. If you're not signed up already, you want to go over there, get started on the Ethtrade platform, and then you want to make a review video for us, load it up onto the Ethtrade platform, and you will be eligible to win that $20 raffle that we give away in the contest each and every week. I want to remind you guys to show up to our next Ethtrade webinar, which is going to be held tomorrow. We have these each and every day, and you guys are always eligible to win that $20 raffle. Okay, we give that away every single day. Okay, Monday through Saturday. All right. So if you guys have not already, then you want to start promoting this each and every day to each one of your lists, because people need to know what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. All right, people need to know that they can take advantage of this new digital money and start to create life-changing financial situations for their life. All right, so thanks again for showing up to the Ethtrade webinar. We will see you in the next one. Ron, if you have not already, you want to go over there and make that review video so that you can make sure that you really can take home your winnings. All right, so do a video testimonial. Like I said, send us the link on Facebook. Also send it to us on YouTube. Add it everywhere. Okay, you want to share that video everywhere. Let everybody know that Ethtrade is setting the stage. Okay, thanks again for checking this out. If you guys have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook, through Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you can find me. All right. I'm going to leave a link real quick, so if you guys haven't got started already, then you can get started right here with this link. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your week, and thank you for attending our webinar. Peace.